Well, welcome back to the Debuild Rebuild Part 13, where we're doing something a little bit different. So the goals for today is to change out the front door and front guard. We're going to remove the snorkel and put it back to a standard look.
You can't, Dad. We've got to finish this.
Finish my nails. All right. Dirty yellow thumbs up today. So with the little champ working away on that indicator, we've got to pull the grill off, pull the inner guard out. Give us a thumbs up, sweetie. There's the door. There's nothing really wrong with it except for just a bit of a dent here. So I came across another door that I got off a old GQ wreck that I had a while ago. And the front guard that I sorted out from a wrecker's after an arm and a leg, this is what we got. So I'm hoping that stripe there comes off with no dramas, and the pin striping. The guard, that cost me a little bit, and they literally just ripped everything off of it, so that's all you get. So I'm going to have to order another aerial for it. Righto, I better get back into it.
Dad, give me a hand.
Righto, I'm on my way. What's going on here, sweetie? You getting serious? Laying down under here? Have you got them all out? Last one, all right, be careful. That's it, just pull it out. Well done.
Dad, there's a whole line of them.
Yeah, got to undo all of them, okay?
Oh.
Got it? Yeah. Good job. Righto. Dad, get these ones for you. Can you hold them for me? Just hold that bit there. It should almost come off. I think it's stuck on that hose on the inside. I'll pull this last screw out. We should be almost good to go. Righto, you ready? Hold it. You wiggle it off. Oh, you alright? Yep. Alright, good work. Oh, what are we still attached to? Aerial.
Dad.
Alright. I'll just sit it back up there for now. Try that again.
Dad, look who's here.
Who's here? Oh, this bloke. He's come at the right time. What have you got for us, mate? Super dupers. Let's get one. Well, after our little smoko break, we're getting back into it. Pulling the door off. Do you know which bolts to undo?
Yep.
Hold on, wait for Dad. Righto, go. Got it? Okay. Send those ones out. Got it?
One more.
Alright, one more. Good girl. Righto, here we go. Ready?
Yep, Dad.
Got them all out? Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, girl. Let's give him a dirty thumbs up. Come right here. Quick. All right, you good to go? All right. Here we go. Hold on.
Are you strong enough, Dad?
Am I strong enough? Let's have a look. You line those up? Is it on far enough? Hold up. We don't want to scratch it now.
This is even close.
Not even close. Hold on. Now? Close enough? Let's get one started. Okay, just send it for now. Just send it. That'll do. Bottom one. We'll have to line it back up in a minute. Oh, whoa. All right. We'll sort that out. I might need to go in a bit. You got it? Use those guns. Whoa. hopefully we can clean that up, eh? Just go easy. Slide it on there. All good there? Alright, let's stand back and have a look. I think we've got a bit of a drama. Well, it's all on loosely. Yeah. The front guard, black and silver or grey, looks okay. But then that passenger door sort of changes a tone of colour, doesn't it? So I think we'll be going back to the other door. That's what we're up to. We'll get stuck back into it tomorrow, I reckon. Somebody's had enough. Yep. And we're back. And with the power of YouTube, ta-da! And the door's back on. Now what we're doing is we're just going to tape it up and we're going to spray some underbody paint just along here. There's this, just a touch of rust in the surface here. A bit here, we'll wire brush all that. And we'll clean it up. Along. That'll probably do, sweetie. That's pretty good work. Give us a thumbs up. Wow, what a job. I think we have to pull the other guard off to do that side now. Okay, take 2. See how we go this time, eh? This one. Pretty much there. Put one down the bottom. This one needs. There we have it. The guard's on. What do you reckon?
Hold on, Dad.
Oh yeah, hold on. We've got to tell them something else, don't we?
Yep.
Also, last night we found on Marketplace some standard, that's right, some standard side steps to put on the old girl. How's that going to look? Sick. You reckon sick? Alright, let's throw one on and have a look. I'll wiggle this down to you. Get under that.
I can't.
You can't? Alright, come on.
How is my head going to fit in here?
Got to put the bracket on first. Can you see where the bolts go?
Yes.
Right. Okay, hold on. You got it? Push it up. Oh, we've got a problem, eh? The floor's bent. What are we going to do there? Will that start there?
No.
Yeah. Look how bent up that is.
Oh.
Let's have a look. We might have to tighten that up. We'll have a look. Ah. Well, we've got a little drama.
Floor's bent.
Yeah, the floor's all bent. We'll show you. Have a look at the side skirt on here. We've got a bit of a dent here. And let's have a look. The seal panels copped a bit of a whack back in the day. So we're going to find it a little bit difficult. But we'll make it work. Well, have a look at that. It's not the straightest in the world, but it's looking pretty cool. I had a crack at pulling that pinstriping off. Slow and steady seems to be the way. We'll see what it looks like later. Once we give it a wash and a bit of a polish, I think it's looking all right. Thanks for watching. Dirty thumbs up. Join us next time where we get stuck into... All right, well, you put that on. Like that. You reckon the big fella's going to like it?
Yep.
All right, let's get him. Big fella, come here. What do you think, big fella?
No.
Why not?
I won.
When did you win? How did you win?
Because I got more votes.
The big little fella got 1 vote, so he wins. He got 1.
No, we're putting it out to the side.
What do you think?
That.
That way.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we can get it closer to being on the road. What are we going to say next?
Subscribe if you feel like it.
Yeah, if
and
you feel like it, subscribe. What's the other one?
And like.
Like. Yeah, if you enjoyed it, throw us a thumbs up. Oh, a yellow thumbs up this time. All right, let's go, sweetie. It's dinner time.